Namaste, myself Dr. Hemavati Patil. Welcome to session 4 on numerical integration. In this session, we are going to study examples of the trapezoidal rule. In the previous session, we have studied how to evaluate the integral using trapezoidal rule. Let us take one example. Evaluate integration from 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x by trapezoidal rule. Take solution. That is here by considering 8 subintervals of 0 to 1 and hence find an approximate value of log 2 base e. Take solution. Here x0, so this is x0, here x0 is 0 and xn is 1 because we know trapezoidal rule is for integration from x0 to xn, so x0 is 0 and xn is 1. Now you have to divide this interval 0 to 1 into 8 subintervals. It is given here. Here it is given. You have to divide this interval into 8 subintervals. So by 8 subintervals, taking n is equals to 8. So since here we know x0, this is xn is equals to, sorry, it is not x0. xn is equals to x0 plus nh, and this implies xn is 1 equals to x0 is 0 plus 8h. This implies here h is equals to 1 by 8. So it is 0.125. Therefore, now x1 is equals to, we know x1 is x0 plus h. So it is equals to 0 plus 0.125. It is equals to 0.125. Similarly, x2 is, we know x0 plus 2h, or we can take x1 plus h also. It is same. x0 plus 2h or it is x1 plus h, both are same. So here x1 plus h is 0.125 plus 0.125. It is also equals to 0.25. We will get like this also. So it is equals to 0.25 and so on. Similarly, you have to find x3. x3 is x2 plus h, that is 0.25 plus 0.125 and etc. up to here up to you will get 1. You have to do same thing here. So now what is given here? Y, the integrand is y is equals to f of x. We can take it is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus x, where y naught is nothing but f of x naught is 1 by 1 plus 0 is equals to, it is not 0, it is 1, it is 1. So now we can make this table. It becomes easy to solve this one. Let us take this one as here. Make this table. Take x and f of x. X equals, you have to start from 0. And first I will make this first table so that it becomes easy to simplify here. First is x0. x0 is 0. It is given. x0 is 0. It is given. Here x0 is 0. It is given. No? x0 is 0. It is given. And you have to continue this one up to 1. x0 is 0. Then x1 is 0 plus 0.125 because h is 0.125. Here we have done one example I have done here, 0.125. Next x2 is x1 plus h, 0.125 plus 0.125, it gives 0.25 plus h is plus 0.125 is 0.375 plus h, because here we know x4 is x3 plus h, that is 0.375 plus 0.125 which is 0.5, and similarly x5 is x4 plus h, so it is 0.625, and similarly x6 is 0.625 plus 0.125 which gives 0.75, and x7 is x6 plus, that is 0.75 plus 0.125 which gives 0.875, and lastly 0.875 plus 0.125 gives 1. So now you have to find the corresponding y values. Here f of x is 1 divided by 1 plus x. So it is, first value is x0 is 0, no, 1 divided by 1 plus 0 is 1 divided by 1, it is equals to 1. Similarly, so for x is equals to x1 is 0.125. I will do this example. So here y1 is equals to f of x1, it is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus x1. x1 is how much here? x1 is 0.125. This is 1 divided by 1.125, After simplification, you will get this one as here 0.889. This you can do using calculator. It becomes very easy. So next value is, this is 1 divided by 1 plus 0.25. So which gives 0.8. It is 1 divided by 1 plus, it is 1, 1 plus x. X is 0.375, which is 1.375. That is 1 divided by 1.375, which gives 0.727. Similarly, this value is 1 divided by 1 plus 0.5, that is 1 divided by 1.5, which gives 0.667. And next one is 1 divided by 1 plus 0.625, that is 1 divided by 1.625, which gives 0.615. Next value is 1 divided by 1 plus 0.75, that is 1 divided by 1.75 is 0.571. Similarly, 1 divided by 1 plus 0.875 is 1 by 1.875, which gives 0.533. And lastly, 1 divided by 1 plus 1 is 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by which gives 1 divided by 0.5. You can do all these calculations using calculator. So, you will get the values very easily. And we can take these values are x0, x1, x2, x3, etc. up to x8 we have here. Now, by trapezoidal rule, we know the trapezoidal rule formula is integration from x0 to xn f of x dx is equals to h by 2 into y0 plus y8 last value plus 2 times of remaining or all y1 plus y2 plus y3 y4 plus y5 plus y5 y6 plus y7. So which gives here, substitute all the values, integration from 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x is equals to h is 0.125 divided by 2 and y0 value is 1, y8 is 0.5 and substitute all the values from the table. So after simplification, you will get this one as 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x is equals to 0.694. Take this one as equation number 1. And it is asked to find log 2 value now. So for that you have to proceed like this. We know that integration from 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x. This is common integration of a definite integral. We know integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x is log 1 plus x between the limits 0 and 1. So now substitute upper limit. This is in LHS, its value we have done here only in equation 1. Substitute that value is 0.694 is equals to RHS is log 1 plus 1 is log 2 minus log 1 plus 0 is log 1. And we know log 1 value is 0. So this is equals to log 2. So hence we have here what? Hence we have log 2 is equals to 0.694. So this is the value of log 2. We have done using trapezoidal rule. So this is all about this example. Let us take one more example. So that is evaluate integration from minus 3 to plus 3 x is to 4 dx by trapezoidal rule by choosing h is equals to 1. Here h is given. And the integrand f of x is here x raised to 4. Now you have to start with x0. x0 is minus 3 and this implies y0. Here also here I have done all the values directly. y0 is equals to f of x0, that is f of minus 3, which is equals to minus 3 raised to 4 is equals to 81. Similarly, x1 is x0 plus h, that is minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. And at the same time I have done y1. y1 is equals to f of minus 2, that is minus 2 raised to 4 is 16. And x2 is x1 plus h, which is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. And this implies y2 is f of minus 1. f of minus 1 is minus 1 raised to 4 is 1. x3 is x2 plus h, that is minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. And you will get here y3 is f of 0 because here x3 is 0. f of 0 is 0 to the power of 4 is 0. And x4 is x3 plus h, that is 0 plus 1 is 1. At the same time y4 is 1 raised to 4 is 1 because here f of 1 is, f of 1 means put x equals to 1 in this. And x5 is x4 plus h, so it is equals to 1 plus, here we have x3 is x4 is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. And this implies y5 is equals to, here 2 raised to 5, that is 16. And lastly x6 is equals to x5 plus h, that is 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. And this implies y6 is f of 3, f of 3 is 3 raised to 4, that is 81. And we can write, if you want you can write this all these values in a table form. So I have done all these, I have written all these values in the table. And write the trapezoidal rule formula. Integration from x0 to x6 f of x dx is h by 2 into y0 plus y6 plus 2 times of the remaining values y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5. 5. And substitute all the values in this integration from minus 3 to plus 3. F of x dx is equals to 1 by 2 into y0 is 81 and y6 is also 81 plus 2 times of remaining all values, so 16 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 16. And simplify this one using calculator, it becomes 115. So hence integration from minus 3 to plus 3 f of x dx is equals to 115. Here I have given some multiple choice questions. It is like you can assume you can consider these multiple choice questions as assignments also, because I have given the same example. It is like example. It is like lengthy examples only. You have to solve yourself and you will get the answer. I have given answer also. I have given 5 multiple choice questions and you can practice these examples yourself, and I have given the answer also. If you find any difficulties while solving these examples, and you can write a question in the comment box, and I will try to this one solve your problem. Thank you very much for watching this video and learning this trapezoidal rule. Thank you.